when you're doing this worksheet, you need to remember SOHCAHTOA. So sine is opposite over hypotenuse, cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, and tangent is opposite over adjacent. Okay? So here in the first 5, we're just taking, it tells us to find tan A. So the number 1, tangent of A is equal to the opposite, which is 18, over the adjacent, which is 24. So we reduce that down to 9/12, which we can reduce down to 3/4. So our answer is 3/4. All right, so that's what you do for the first 5. Then you go to the next 5. So it says find the value of each trigonometric ratio to the nearest 10,000. So that you're just going to take your calculator for. I'm going to get out my calculator. Now I need to make sure that my calculator is in degrees. Okay, so I'm using the Windows calculator. So I'm going to look for my tan of 6. And I'm going to say that equals, no, clear. Why do you hate me? Tangent of 6 is 0.10514, and it goes on. So you usually will truncate it at the 4. So the answer is 0.1051. Again, make sure this is in degree, not radian. We will get, I will try to get into radians by the end of the year. But we just need to worry about having our calculator in degree mode. I do not have a screen simulator to show you on my Android what the calculator would look like on my phone. But know that you would have to flip the phone sideways to get it into the scientific mode to be able to do these calculations. Okay? So that's that. Let's get back to our right triangle trigonometry. Now we want to find missing sides. Now we want to do some algebra. So let's look at number 11. Number 11, we have the angle 36, and we have something opposite. So we have 36. We have a side opposite of that is x, and the side adjacent to that is 15. Opposite over adjacent, that's tangent. So tangent of 36 equals x over 15. I'm going to multiply both sides by 15. That gives me 15 tangent 36 equals x. And I'm going to put this in my calculator. Clear. Tangent of 36 equals, no, tangent of 36 times 15 equals 10.89. So x is 10.89. Okay. So that's how you're going to do those 5 problems. Come on. Then we have multi-step problems. So let's look at number 16. I'm going to redraw this. That is a terrible triangle. Much better. Not great, but not terrible. 50, 67, 67. This is 48. This is X. Okay. So we want to find the length of the side labeled X. But in order to do that, I need to know some things. I need to know what this side is. So I'm going to call that Y. And then once I have Y, I should be able to figure out what X is. So I have an opposite and an adjacent. So I have the tangent of 50 equals Y over 48. So Y equals 48 times the tangent of 50. We'll put that in the calculator in a minute. We're just going to save it to put all the things in the calculator. So then we have, for 67, we have an opposite over adjacent again. So that's tangent of 67 equals X over whatever Y is. So 48 over the tangent of 50. So we're going to multiply 48 times the tangent of 67 times the tangent of 50. And that is going to give me my X value. So I'm going to go to my calculator, my trusty calculator. Okay. I'm going to clear everything. So I've got 48 times, I got to go 67 trig tangent times 50 trig tangent, enter. And that gives me 134.76. So X equals 134.76. Okay? And that's how you do the worksheet.